Heat. Properties of heat energy. How does the solar heat reach the earth? Why does the heat in the water heated to boiling slowly decrease once it is taken off the flame? Where does this heat go? The moisture in the air cools down due to the ice cubes in the glass and collects on the outside of the glass. Transfer of heat. When we take a hot object near a cold one, the cold object becomes warm and the hot one becomes cooler. Heat is transformed from a hot body to a cold body. Transfer of heat means the flow of heat from one place to another. Modes of heat transfer: conduction, convection and radiation. Conduction: pins fall starting from the end near the burner. It means that transfer of heat takes place from the hot end of the bar to the cold end. This transfer of heat from the hot part of an object to the cold part is called conduction of heat. The pins on the copper bar start falling first. The pins on the steel bar fall comparatively late. Heat is conducted quickly through copper. Conduction of heat through a substance depends on the property of that substance. That conduction of heat takes place through a solid substance shows that a medium is required for the conduction of heat. How does the transfer of heat take place through a liquid? When heating begins, the water near the bottom becomes warm and its density decreases. As a result, it moves upwards and is replaced by cold water coming from above. In this manner, heat is transferred by means of currents called convection currents. This process is called convection of heat. Heat the upper part of test tube. Stop heating when the water starts boiling. The heat does not reach the bottom even though the upper part is heated. The density of water decreases due to heating. Therefore, it cannot sink and the process of convection does not occur. Convection can occur in liquid and gaseous substances. Convection needs a medium. How does a bonfire make you warm? The sun is millions of kilometers away from us. There is no air between the sun and the earth, and the earth's atmosphere is only a thin layer of air close to the earth. Then how does the heat of the sun reach us? This heat is transferred in the absence of any medium. The transfer of heat that takes place in this way without a medium is called radiation. Radiation of heat takes place from many objects in nature such as trees, mountains, stones and roads. A camera has been developed which uses these radiations to make our surroundings visible at night. It is called an infrared camera. Using this camera, it's possible to keep a watch on the movement of the enemy during the night. When heat rays fall on an object, a part of the heat is absorbed by the object and a part of it is reflected. The ability of a substance to absorb heat radiation depends on its color and its intrinsic properties.